Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, we have two very good hiring for today. The first hiring we have from the company Revolut. It is 100% work from home. The role is support specialist. Any graduate from any stream are eligible to apply, and the salary package is around 4.5 LPA. The link to apply is in description of the video. Now the second hiring is for software engineer role, and this is from the company MITSOGO, and this is for freshers hiring basically. PE, BTECH, all stream, right? So even if you're from electrical, electronics, computer science, mechanical, so for all the stream student are eligible to apply. And 2023, 2022, 2021, 2020 batch are eligible to apply. As I mentioned, the salary package here offered is 4 LPA. It's a very good company. Now, for both of that, the link is in YouTube video description. You can find and apply. But I will tell you how to apply each step by step, because many of you might be getting the error. So I request all of you to watch the video till the end. Friends, before that, if you're new to our channel, please do subscribe and click on notification, click on bell icon, so that you will be getting all preparation related videos, right? Like here you can see TCS, BPS, the questions we are solving, any kind of hiring videos, onboarding mails, each and every detail you will be getting from this particular channel. So subscribe and click on bell icon also. This will be a motivation for us to work more harder for you. Now, so for the first role, which is for the support specialist, I will tell you each and everything here. So friends, you should be fluent in English. That is a requirement, okay? And a bachelor degree or equivalent. So even if you have 10 plus 2, if you have done 12th, but if you have some relevant experience, you can apply. Excellent communication skill, the ability to explain. So this all these companies will be asking. So nothing, you don't have to worry at all. Now just click on apply for this role, okay? And then you have to put your full name, right? Email ID, and then you have to put your contact number. So I will just put some random number, okay? Fine. And then current company, so this is optional. Preferred work location, so anyway it is remote, so just select remote. And then you have to upload the resume. So resume, please try to upload in the PDF format, okay? And then link to LinkedIn. So if you're on LinkedIn, please put your LinkedIn profile. Otherwise not required it is, okay? So you can see my profile from here, okay? Fine. I will be putting here my LinkedIn profile. If you do not have, no problems. And then gender, so it is optional, but still select ethnicity. So ASEAN, okay. And this is also optional. So education, university. So here you can select your name. So please enter the name of the university you are affiliated with. Okay, if you have studied at more than one university. So let me see. Vishwasaraya, right? So okay. So here you have to check VTU. Is VTU coming? Okay. So friends, here it is there, Visvesvaraya Technical University. Major. So what was your major? You can select here. So, civil engineering, mechanical engineering, or whatever it is. Okay. And how did you hear about Revolut job listing? So I have friends, family, or social media. And how have we met? So this is optional. So you can leave it. How many years of experience do you have in a customer support? So no experience. Are you comfortable with shift work? You please put 1. Salary range is 4.8 to 5.1. Okay. So this is a very good salary. How long notice period? So immediately available. Do you need a visa work? No, I don't need. Are you English fluent? You put yes. See, they want only fluent. So native is C2. So you can select C1, right? So you would have seen here in the recruitment requirement. So basically they want C1. So anyway, you can put and then submit the application. So if you have filled it correctly, you will be getting thanks for applying. And also after some time, it might take 2 hours or 3 hours, you'll be getting the email. Okay, now. So friends, let's go for software engineering. So you will help build the future of enterprise software around intelligent tools that simplify the way people work. Okay. As a software engineers, okay, so these things you don't have to see. Basically the requirement is if you have understanding of OOPS, right? So OOPS concept, like inheritance, right? Data abstraction. So these kind of things. Knowledge of software development life cycle. So agile method, waterfall method. So these things, solid problem solving skills. So problem solving skills should be good, and knowledge in Python is much appreciated. So they're basically looking mainly for Python. But anyway, see, if you know Java, if you know C++, you can easily learn Python, right? Python is, you can say it's a text-based language itself. Okay, so it's a kind of like English language. Now, how to apply for this job? So your full name here, okay, and then you can put your contact number here, okay, and location will be Chennai, and then you have to drop your photo. So photo is not mandatory. CV resume is mandatory. So I will just try to fill from the desktop itself. Pratik, okay, Pratik resume, and then cover letter and photo you have to upload, cover letter also. Okay, so that is not mandatory, but mandatory field is already filled, and now I will click on submit here. So let us see what happens. So are we able to apply? Or okay, so thank you, your application for software engineer fresher hiring has been sent. We will get back to you soon. So both the hirings has been captured here. Okay, now friends, one more thing which I wanted to tell you. So you can learn data analytics and software development with 100% scholarship. Register for free. So join with salary up to 41 LPA, 300 plus partner companies, guaranteed job opportunities. So the date is 24th of September 2023, time 11 a.m. to 11 p.m. Test details. So basically aptitude based MCQs will be there. 1 hour test will be there, and there is no negative marking. Eligibility, all branches and degrees available. Register now, friends. There are limited slots are there, right? So, and you can register for free. So if anything is free, then only I will tell you, right? And there are a lot of jobs available in data analytics and software development, right? And here you will be also getting 100% scholarship. And what is required? So you just have to give the aptitude based test. That's all is required. So please write the test, and the registration is completely free. The link is in description. Thank you, take care, and all the very best.